Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Tuesday, December 4th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude oil fell more than $1 a barrel in New York after an OPEC delegate said the group would discuss a production increase at its meeting tomorrow. Crude oil is trading at $88.06 per barrel on the NYMEX. Natural gas in New York fell on an outlook for a warming trend that would trim demand. Natural gas is trading at $7.13 per million British thermal units. Gold rose for the second straight day on speculation the Federal Reserve will cut U.S. borrowing costs, weakening the dollar and boosting the appeal of the precious metal as an alternative investment. Gold is trading at $802.70 per ounce. Silver is up at $14.44 an ounce. Today we're joined by Mike Fitzpatrick from Man Financial. Mike, how is anticipation of tomorrow's OPEC meeting affecting the commodities market?
Hi, good morning, Caitlin. Prices across the energy complex continue to drop off again today. While some contend that it is the possibility of an OPEC production hike, we continue to doubt that that has really much to do with it at all. OPEC's moment to affect prices probably passed about 3 years ago. More likely, it's the effect of more speculative interest adjusting their position in the market and some of the speculative premium coming out of the marketplace. Not surprisingly, because of the political blow that was dealt to President Chavez in Venezuela, and more particularly because of the U.S. intelligence reassessment of Iran's ability to produce a nuclear weapon, does bring the geopolitical pot down to a very low simmer at this point, and takes some of the would assist in taking some of that speculative premium out of the market. The participants in the market don't continue to wait for tomorrow's inventory reports. That should reveal a better look, and past that, the jobs number on Friday, which is representative of one of the major divides in the market. As it stands right now, the major divide in the market does exist between those who believe that supplies are generally tight and those who are worried about continuing demand based on a U.S. economy that looks like it's getting to go into a recession. This will also influence Fed policy down the road, which many anticipate will be a further cut in rates from the Federal Reserve, putting further pressure on the dollar, and that may cause energy prices to eventually stabilize and go higher as more is demanded at lower prices. Natural gas continues to labor under very weighty supply issues. Although we've had some very cold weather this week, it's not hardly enough to put a dent in the near-record storage that is more than enough for us to endure any sustained cold as winter approaches.
Thanks, Mike. That was Mike Fitzpatrick from Man Financial. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again for another update right here on etvFutures.com.